spotting an unfamiliar charge on your Apple Pay and wondering how to fight it. Let's get that sorted in under 2 minutes. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your Apple Pay transactions are stored. Find the transaction you want to dispute and tap on it. Then, scroll down until you see Report an Issue and tap on that. Now, you'll be redirected to the Apple support website. Select which type of card was used for the transaction. Next, choose the reason for your dispute. Pick the option that best describes why you're disputing the charge, such as "I don't recognize this transaction," or "I was charged the wrong amount." Fill out the dispute form with as much detail as possible. Be clear and concise about what happened, why you believe it's incorrect, and what resolution you're seeking. Double-check all the information you've entered, and when you're satisfied, hit the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message or email with a reference number. Keep this for your records and future follow-up. Apple or your bank will investigate the dispute, and you'll be notified of the outcome. Be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. That's it, dispute filed. Subscribe for more quick tips and tricks to maximize your Apple devices.